We guide you through how to check if your Android phone supports eSIM in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to open Phone Settings, scroll down and tap Network and Internet on Connection, depending on your device. Then, look for SIM's mobile network or SIM manager, and if you see an option that says Add eSIM, download eSIM, or use eSIM, that's a clear sign your phone supports eSIM. Another fast method is to go to Settings, tap About, then check Status or SIM status, where eSIM supports is usually listed. You can also dial asterisk #06 on your phone's keypad. And if an EID number appears on the screen, your Android device is eSIM compatible. If you don't see these options, visit official website of your phone's brand and search your exact model with term eSIM support to confirm. This works for Samsung, Google Pixel, Xiaomi, Oppo, and other Android phones released in recent years.